Crua Outdoors Culla. The Crua Outdoors Culla two-person insulated tent is the perfect way to stay warm, comfortable and sheltered during your outdoor adventures. Constructed with a breathable polyester fabric and 450 gram per meter squared insulation, this tent helps keep you insulated in any environment. The patented insulation technology is designed to provide temperature regulation inside any tent, making it perfect for cold environments or if you're simply looking for a dark tent that cancels out noise from the outside world. What makes the Culla special is its modular design, which makes it easy to set up and expand. The airframe beams are designed to be light and durable while allowing for maximum setup ease. This allows you to enjoy insulated camping anywhere you go, whether in a tent, camper van, RV or under a tarp, all without sacrificing comfort or warmth. And best of all, once taken down, the Culla packs into a small package, so you can easily take it with you on your next adventure. Thermarest Neo Air XLite. The Thermarest Neo Air XLite backpacking mattress is an ultralight and compact sleeping pad designed to keep adventurers comfortable and warm in even the most extreme conditions. Weighing only 0.01 pounds, this mattress packs a lot of features into an incredibly lightweight frame. It is equipped with a reliable and rugged wing lock valve system that inflates 3 times faster than a standard valve, as well as lightning-fast deflation for quick setup and takedown. The 4.2 R value of the XLite ensures that backpackers and campers remain warm even in the coldest climates, while reflective thermo-capture technology deals with radiant heat. The triangular core matrix construction minimizes convection heat loss without adding weight or bulk. Measuring 47 by 20 by 4.1 inches when fully inflated, the NeoAir XLite is made of durable nylon with product dimensions of 8 by 4.1 by 3.9 inches, so it can fit conveniently inside your pack or bag without taking up too much space or adding unnecessary weight to your loadout. The NeoAir XLite is easy to clean and maintain as well. Simply wipe down with a damp cloth to remove dirt or dust from your pad before each use, keeping it looking its best for many years to come. So, if you're looking for an ultra-lightweight backpacking mattress that offers optimal comfort and warmth without compromising on performance, grab yourself an XLite today. Jetboil Flash Camping Backpacking Stove Cooking System. The Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove Cooking System is the ultimate all-in-one solution for outdoor cooking. Weighing in at just over a pound, this compact and lightweight stove is perfect for backpackers and campers who want to save space and weight in their packs. The Flash system includes a cooking cup, a burner base, and a fuel canister stabilizer, making it everything you need to cook a hot meal while out on the trail. With its unique flux ring technology, the Flash heats up incredibly fast, boiling water in just 100 seconds. The cooking cup is made of lightweight aluminum and features a neoprene cozy to keep your hands protected from the heat. The burner base is also incredibly durable and features a built-in igniter for easy lighting. The fuel canister stabilizer provides added stability and safety when cooking with a canister. With its convenience, speed and durability, the Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove Cooking System is the perfect addition to any outdoor adventurer's gear. Victoper 2-Pack LED Headlamp. The Victoper 2-Pack LED Headlamp is the perfect choice for anyone who needs hands-free lighting while exploring the outdoors. This powerful headlamp features 2 adjustable straps to fit any head size and a powerful LED light that can be adjusted to 3 different brightness levels: low, medium, and high. Weighing only 3 ounces, this lightweight yet durable headlamp is comfortable enough for extended use. The Victoper 2-Pack bundle is a great value proposition that provides 1 headlamp for you and 1 for a friend or family member. The adjustable straps provide an easy way to customize the fit of your headlamp quickly and easily. The LED light has an impressive lumens rating of up to 100 lumens depending on which brightness mode you choose. This provides plenty of visibility when hiking trails at night or camping in low-light areas. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 50 hours of runtime on low mode and runs off USB charging ports, so you can charge it conveniently wherever you go. Moreok Winter Gloves. The Moreok Winter Gloves are designed to keep your hands warm and protected in colder months. Made with high-quality materials, these gloves provide superior insulation and comfort thanks to their waterproof and windproof polyester fabric outer layer and soft and warm fleece inner layer. The PU leather reinforcement on the palm and fingers offers extra durability and grip, while the touchscreen-compatible fingertips design allows you to use your phone without having to take off your gloves. These gloves are suitable for a variety of cold weather activities, such as skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, or walking in the snow. Their lightweight design ensures maximum flexibility for movement, while the adjustable wrist straps let you customize the fit for extra comfort. The gloves' exteriors are treated with a DWR, durable water repellent, that helps repel water, dirt, and stains for long-lasting protection. Plus, they feature reflective elements on the back of each hand so you stay visible in low-light conditions. MOERDENG Men's Waterproof Ski Jacket. The MoreDang Men's Waterproof Ski Jacket is the perfect choice for those who want to stay warm and dry on the slopes. This jacket is made from a waterproof and breathable fabric that offers great protection while remaining comfortable in any weather. With its detachable hood, a variety of pockets, including a ski pass pocket and a headphone port, and adjustable cuffs, this jacket will keep you organized, connected, and hassle-free. The powder skirt at the waist helps keep snow out, while the elasticized wrist gaiters ensure that your hands stay warm and dry. Additionally, the jacket features a 3-layer waterproof design with sealed seams for superior protection from moisture and wind. The streamlined construction not only offers an attractive look, but also keeps you light on your feet as you take on mountainside trails. An interior media pocket makes it easy to store music or other devices securely. The adjustable draw cord hem allows you to adjust the fit depending on changing conditions or layers of clothing worn beneath it. This jacket is designed with reflective accents for visibility in low-light conditions. Whether you're skiing down steep slopes or trekking across trails, this men's waterproof ski jacket has all the features needed to keep you warm and dry no matter where your adventures take you. MANSDOUR Men's Hiking Snow Pants. The MANSDOUR men's hiking snow pants are designed to keep you warm and protected on extended winter hikes. Constructed with a waterproof and breathable fabric, these pants will make sure you stay dry and comfortable no matter the conditions outside. The pants also features a variety of pockets for convenient storage, an adjustable waistband, and leg cuffs for an individualized fit, reinforced knee and seat areas for added durability, and a gaiter to keep snow and debris from entering your boots. These elements combined create a pant that is perfect for experienced hikers as well as those just starting out in the cold winter months. The MANSDOUR men's hiking snow pants are made with superior quality materials that resist water penetration while allowing air to flow free through the fibers, creating a comfortable environment for your skin. The material is lightweight yet strong enough to withstand rugged terrain without tearing or abrasion. The adjustable waistband and leg cuffs give you easy access to fit adjustments so you can customize your comfort level by tightening or loosening accordingly. Additionally, the reinforced knee and seat areas provide extra protection against wear and tear during long treks in the snow, while keeping your clothes free of dirt or mud stains. Lastly, the gaiter protects against cold weather elements like wind or snow entering your boots when you take long strides through deep, powdery terrain. NORTIV 8 Men's Insulated Waterproof Boots. The NORTIV 8 Men's Insulated Waterproof Boots are the ideal choice for tackling winter weather and wet conditions. Designed with a waterproof membrane and insulated lining, these boots will keep your feet dry and comfortable in any climate. They feature a durable rubber outsole with deep lugs to provide excellent traction on snow and ice, while the lace-up design ensures a secure fit. The toe and heel cap offer extra protection from wear and tear, making them perfect for shoveling driveways or hiking trails. Thanks to its breathable membrane, your feet will stay warm even in sub-zero temperatures. The insulation provides an extra layer of warmth that won't weigh you down or restrict movement. With thermoplastic urethane reinforcement around the heel and toe area, these boots can withstand a variety of outdoor activities without sacrificing comfort. Additionally, the multi-directional lugs on the outsole increase stability on slippery surfaces, giving you increased confidence as you explore the outdoors. Whether you're walking through town or trekking through unfamiliar terrain, the NORTIV 8 Men's Insulated Waterproof Boots will keep your feet warm and dry all winter long.